Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobey. Today I'll be exploring how to write a great business plan. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't go away. Now that you've decided to become an entrepreneur, you're no longer nurturing a hobby, but a business. You may be looking to foster a career as a photographer, a graphic designer, or writer. So whichever area that you've chosen, you'll need to have a business plan. Now, this will give you a sense of direction to begin your journey. So I want to take you through the steps of creating a business plan. For this, I will use the example of freelance writer. But really, this approach can be used by any industry that you're operating in. First, determine the direction that you want to take your business. So in this case, it would mean thinking about the type of writing you'd like to do. So you don't want to just say that you are just a writer. What kind of writer? Are you a columnist? Do you write on political matters or the arts? The point is, you don't want to be too broad in scope. If you haven't already, create a business name. You may choose just to use your own name, or you may go for something fancy. Whatever you choose, be sure that it represents you. Write your executive summary, and this really is to describe your business. What area of specialty are you in? How do you plan to grow and become profitable? What is your roadmap for gaining clients and generating income? Map out your financial goals, and this means being a little more specific in terms of benchmarks. So, how much do you wish to earn in your first month, first year, and beyond? Do some market research on other freelance writers. So what does their brand look like? How much are their rates? What are their areas of expertise? What can you offer that they don't? Map out your services. So likely you will have a few areas of speciality. So put that down on paper. And these initial stages, you can be a little more general. So this will evolve and change over time. So don't box yourself in too much at this stage. Also, think about how you will interact with clients. Can they contact you through a website, social media, or just by email? Are you going to have formal contracts? Integrate your marketing strategy. So needless to say, this is very important. And as luck would have it, I've done a complete video on creating your marketing strategy. So especially in these initial stages, it's imperative that you dedicate time to marketing. How are you going to put the word out that you're open for business? Now, one area that I haven't focused on is your mission statement. And this is something you can draft throughout the process of creating your business plan. As you are thinking about all the different areas for development, you want to have this culminate in a mission statement. A good mission statement reflects what you stand for and informs the decisions that you make. It is a starting point that will guide everything else you do that is customer facing. It's also something you can show off on the homepage of your website, for instance. Sometimes freelancers believe that being a business of one, they don't actually need a mission, but I would disagree. Your mission will help clarify who you want to work with and the type of work you wish to take on. So how to create one? Well, first and foremost, it needs to be actionable. So you should include your product or service and the inspiration behind this. Then address the problem you are solving for your customer. And finally, define who your audience or customer is. Another element is tone. So are you being humorous, formal, or enthusiastic? Let's again take the example of freelance writers. So here's an example mission statement that I came up with. My mission is to provide small businesses like you with meaningful and engaging content. My approach is professional with a flair for innovation, originality, and ingenuity. That's one I just quickly made. I'm sure that you can do much better. So give it a try. Now that you've written what you feel is a good business plan, what do you do next? Well, your business plan is not a static document just like your marketing plan. So you should revisit at least once a year. If you're starting out, I would even suggest coming back to it twice a year. The pace of your new business is going to evolve a lot in the coming months. So many factors will change, and the types of clients you take on will change. How you charge different clients, what marketing methodologies have worked and what has not. Even your mission statement might need to be adjusted. Operating your own business is a learning process. In fact, you never stop learning and growing. That's what makes it so exciting. So don't shelve your business plan once you've created it, but refer periodically to see if you are on track or set new goals. You want to feel that sense of accomplishment. So when you see all that you've been able to do, take time to pat yourself on the back and then move on to even bigger and better. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content and you never miss an episode. Or you can connect with me on LinkedIn. Those links are below. I'll see you every week with a new video, so please stay tuned and together, let's solve it like a marketer.